Hello and welcome. The war in Ukraine has made one thing impossible to ignore. Cheap FPV drones have changed what danger looks like for infantry. A soldier does not need to face a tank, an aircraft, or a major artillery strike to be at risk anymore. A small drone can spot movement, guide fire, or hit directly for a fraction of the cost of traditional weapons. Infantry is still essential in modern war, but the battlefield around it has become far more dangerous. That is the real shift. Drones did not make the foot soldier irrelevant. They made his battlefield far more dangerous. Today, a soldier moving between trenches, crossing a road, carrying ammunition, or trying to evacuate a wounded man can be spotted from above in seconds. And once that happens, the response can come fast. An FPV drone, artillery fire, a mortar team, or another loitering strike can arrive before that unit has time to react properly. What makes this even worse is that drones are not just changing the front line. They are shrinking the distance between the front and the rear. Supply roads, assembly areas, field hospitals, command posts, even places once seen as relatively safer, are now under much more pressure from cheap aerial surveillance and attack. In older wars, danger was often concentrated. In this kind of war, danger follows movement itself, and that has changed what infantry life looks like. Movement is slower. Resupply is harder. Casualty evacuation takes longer. Hiding is more difficult. Even staying still is no guarantee of safety. Camouflage now means more than paint and uniforms. It means nets, cover, emissions discipline, deception, and constant adaptation. Survival is no longer just about armor or firepower. It is about not being seen early enough to be hunted. But here is the part many people get wrong. None of this means infantry no longer matters. In fact, it may mean the opposite. Drones can observe, drones can harass, drones can kill, but drones do not hold cities on their own. They do not secure roads, search buildings, control terrain, or replace men on the ground when the fight becomes physical and close. The battlefield may be changing, but war still ends with somebody having to stand on the ground and hold it. So the real lesson is not that drones are replacing infantry. The lesson is that infantry now has to evolve around a battlefield that is always watching. That means every unit needs better drone awareness, better concealment, better counter-drone habits, and faster adaptation. It also means militaries that keep treating drones like a side tool are already falling behind. Because this is no longer some specialist capability. This is becoming part of basic survival. That is why the drone age is such a serious warning for modern armies. If your infantry cannot move without being seen, cannot resupply without being tracked, and cannot evacuate casualties without being hunted, then your force becomes fragile, no matter how advanced it looks on paper. A military can have expensive tanks, aircraft, and missiles, but if its ground troops are exposed and unsupported in this new environment, that weakness will show up very quickly. So no, drones are not making infantry less important. They are making bad infantry, visible infantry, unsupported infantry much easier to kill. And that is the real revolution. The soldier on the ground is still central to war. He is just fighting in a world where the sky is no longer empty. What are your thoughts? Are drones changing war in a way armies still do not fully understand? Or will infantry adapt faster than people expect? Let me know in the comments. I personally like replying to your comments.